In this video, I will show you all of my trades live right here on Binance, $36,000 profits, as well as the profits from our bots, $3,500. Welcome everyone, Bobby here from sunsetting.com, and I do this YouTube video in order to help you make money with crypto, because most people are losing their money and I don't want to be one of them. So hit this subscribe button and the bell in order to get notified when we upload new videos. Alright, so let's start with how did I enter this long trade. I entered it with our indicators right here. So I actually entered this trade at $16,800, and somewhere I believe it was no, actually let me see here. I exited the trade because I wanted to enter even bigger position size, right? I was expecting a little bit of a pullback. We got the pullback, I couldn't enter right here, so I re-enter on the breakout somewhere here. And even though this trade is in $36,000 profits right here, I actually made a lot more. I made like $50,000 or $60,000 because again, and you can see this in my previous videos that my entry was like $16,800 and I was riding it up. It's just I was trying to enter bigger position size, and the problem was that we were not getting any freaking pullback. This thing is so bullish. You see, it's going straight up. I mean, I wanted to enter a $500,000 position. I was in like 260, I think, originally, or 200. Then I added 60, and I really wanted to enter like a $500,000 or $500,000 trade, but this thing was just so freaking bullish. You see, there is no base, it wasn't consolidating, it's just going straight up, and I was trying to enter bigger position size. I couldn't anyway. That's the case, right? And that's about this. And by the way, if you follow our channel, you should be in the same trade, because I told you in our latest analysis that when Bitcoin breaks above $16,900, that's the key level right here. We're gonna go up a lot, right? There's gonna be a very big move, so you definitely wanna be long above $60,900, and it's a mega long above $18,150, because that's the range where we've been in for months. We've been talking about this for a long time. So I mean, guys, if you are not in a long trade right now, I don't know what you are doing, or maybe you missed because you are not subscribed to our channel, and you can fix that by hitting the subscribe button and the bell. And that's about the trade, and that's how I entered it, right, with our indicators. And now let's talk about the bots. The bots I literally set it up last night. It's just so crazy. If you follow our shorts, you saw that I literally set up the bots last night because there were some issues with the API keys. And by the way, check this out right here and pay attention on this, because I see many people showing this type of things, but they're showing it on a paper trading account, meaning that because on this platform where we use our bots, you can trade with real money and you can trade with fake money, right? And I see other channels, right, they show the same stuff. The only difference is that they don't really show here this part of the screen where it says real summary balance. What they kind of by accident only show this part of the screen without this, and they're kind of faking it because they are not really trading with real money. As you can see, I have my bots up and running with real money because that's the real account balance. And if you see other people showing this type of things, make sure that you see they're trading with the real summary balance, because again, there are 99% of the I mean, it's just crazy out there. This is the Wild West. That's why, I mean, I'm not showing you my trades and all these type of things in order to brag. I'm showing it to you in order to see that I am actually trading. This is Binance futures, this is a real account. This as well is not paper trading, right? Because I'm kind of annoyed with other traders who are I mean, first of all, the majority of the people who do analysis on Binance, I would say 90%, they are not showing any trades because they are not really trading. They make money off of YouTube videos, off of all type of things, right? Whatever they are doing, they are not really trading, and they are teaching trading. It's like my professor in the university who was teaching us business, but he never had a business, right? Did we learn business in the university? No, we didn't, because he was basically reading at night before the next day the lessons, and then from books, right? And then on the next day he will tell us what he learned from the books, but he never really had a business. That's why we never really learned how to do business. That's why I don't even, I mean, if I can go back, I would never go to the university. I can go to a freaking YouTube, just like what you are doing right now, and learn from people who run businesses for like hundreds of millions of dollars a year, right? The same thing is right here. I mean, people say all these type of things, they make YouTube videos for trading, they don't even trade, right? Or they sell courses for trading, they don't even trade, right? You can go on YouTube just like what you are doing right now, and you can learn from someone who's actually trading, right? And that's why I'm sharing this with you. Again, it's not to brag. I mean, this is not some ridiculous amounts of, I mean, it's decent amount of money, right? And for many of you it will be big, for some of you might be small, right? I mean, it's just whatever, right? But the point is that I'm trading decent position sizes, and that's why I'm showing it, so you learn to follow people who actually do what they teach, right? Because unfortunately most people don't do that. And now back to the bots right here. I was saying that we recently had some issues. 3 commas asked us to update our API keys a million times, right? So I had to set up the bots over and over again a million times. But anyway, last night before me and my wife had dinner, I set up the bots. We had a dinner, I came back, I checked what's going on. The profit was already $1,000. When I woke up in the morning, now it's 9 a.m. I woke up like an hour ago. I checked the bots, $3,500 profits. Why? Well, because the conditions are like this. Are we making always that profits? Not at all, right? But now we are doing it, and as you can see, it's because of the market conditions. And that's just it. I mean, that's the update which I want to talk about. And also the falling wedge, I talk about this a million times as well. Bitcoin is forming a falling wedge. There is an 82% chance it's gonna break towards the upside. So every out of 10 times when you get this setup, the break is going to be towards the upside. So you gotta get ready, right? We talk about all these type of things. And I mean, in the comments, unfortunately, many people were negative. Oh, we are in the middle of a recession. Oh, this guy is delusional. Oh, this thing is not gonna happen. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, I appreciate all of your comments. So leave us a comment right now as well, right? But the fact that so many people were in disbelief actually fueled me to trade even bigger position size that I was trading, because I realized, I mean, people are on the wrong side of this trade and it's gonna be massive, because you don't usually get this type of moves when everyone is agreeing on the same thing, right? You get this type of moves when people are disagreeing and they are fighting it. Right now, what's fueling this move are basically the shorts, right? And something else which is also frustrating to me, on Twitter I see very big accounts, 300,000 people followers, I mean 300,000 followers, 500,000 followers. They are telling you that Bitcoin is going to $10,000. They are telling you that this is a fake pump. They are telling you go and short this, and they've been telling you this since it started, right? Since like $17,000, $16,000. They were telling you that we are going to $10,000. Short, 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 short. They keep telling you to short, and people go and short, right? And that's why this keeps going nuts, because when you short, how do you cover a short position? You cover it when you buy back, right? So you actually join the buyers. And what I can tell you is all these people who keep telling you to short $17,000, I mean, they don't know what they're doing. It's obvious. They don't know what they're doing. This thing is being consolidating for a very long time. I told you above $16,100, you gotta go long, and above $18,150, you gotta go mega long, right? That's just how it is. That's just how the market operates, guys. I mean, it's not a rocket science. When you do it for long enough, you gotta understand that when we are consolidating for a very long time, that's just inevitable, right? And when people are so bearish, that's just inevitable. When everyone is shorting, they're gonna fuel this move, and we're gonna go up a lot. Are we gonna have a pullback? Of course we're gonna have. It's just inevitable. I'm not saying that we are going straight to $25,000, $30,000, right? We're gonna have a lot of pullbacks along the way. But yeah, that's pretty much the analysis, and I really hope that you follow the advice. And by the way, if you're interested in our indicators, in our education, I mean, forget about the indicators, forget about the bots. Our main focus is to educate you guys how to trade crypto for a living and how to succeed in this business. Because let me be honest with you right now. I believe that if I teach you, if I give you a fish, you're gonna eat for a day. Many people ask me, hey Bobby, can I just get the indicators? Hey Bobby, can I just get the bots, right? Hey Bobby, can I just get the signals? So we get this type of inquiries all day long, right? I can show you on our website. Our team is basically dealing with these questions all day long, and everyone who's watching this video, I want you to understand this. If I give you the indicators, if I give you the bots only, it's gonna be like if I just give you a fish and you're gonna eat for a day, right? Other than that, I want to teach you how to fish so you can eat for life, right? If I give you signals, hey, buy here, buy there, it's just like giving you a fish and you're gonna eat for a day, right? But I don't believe in that. That's why I don't believe in signals. That's why, I mean, we could make tons of money selling signals only because that's what people want to, right? But I don't want to do that because I know that I'm doing you this service, right? If I do that, because that's not how you're gonna succeed long term. I believe in teaching you how to fish, meaning that our program is a package of everything. We have over 500 educational videos, right? So I believe in teaching you how to trade for yourself, and these tools we are just giving it to you in order to help and to improve your trading, right? But the main focus is teaching, it's education, right? Because that's how you win this game. And that's how, even if I'm not around, you can figure out, okay, there's gonna be a big move, let me enter a big position, right? And that's my goal, right? So if you are interested in our indicators, signals, whatever, I mean, we don't have it already mentioned, but if you're interested in our things, then you go ahead and check our website, satsincome.com. We have this program that is called Sat Income program, and this program includes everything, right? It includes the bots, the signals, the education, and everything that you need in order to dominate this space. That's it for today. Boy B is checking out.